Welcome to the channel. Today, we are going to show you how to access and manage your blocked members on LinkedIn using the app on your phone. This guide will help you see everyone you have blocked and give you the option to unblock them if needed. Let's begin the steps. First, open the LinkedIn app on your phone. Next, tap on your profile icon located at the top left. Then, scroll down and tap on Settings. After that, select the Visibility option from the menu. Next, scroll down until you find Blocked Members. Tap on Blocked Members to see the full list of users you have blocked on LinkedIn. If you want to unblock someone, simply tap on the Unblock button next to their name. Then enter your password to confirm the action and tap on Done. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.